Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Medieval Mirage Design Team project to show you, and this set of a mini journal and two micro mini journals will be available in my Etsy shop. I've used Medieval Mirage's illuminated Flora kit and add-ons, and the images are just beautiful. So we'll start with this one, and it's soft cover, got a table runner there, some tea-dyed embroidered fabric under that, and then some canvas as well, all tea-dyed. It has 5 signatures. I love this green sari ribbon, and some charms hanging here. They're on a bulb pin, so you could move them around or take them off completely. Wanted to put them on a necklace, you could do that. All the measurements and page counts will be in the Etsy listing. So it's a wraparound, opens there, got a pocket here. This fabric, I've used this before, I just love this Gothic arch fabric. Here's a printable that goes perfectly with that. So I've reduced the size of all the images, but they are still just beautiful. Even you'll see on the tiny ones. So a lot of journaling space in this one. Because it's small, I didn't want to load it up. I've used a lot of the page images from the kit, reduced in size, but a lot of blank pages to journal on. All tea-dyed and grungy, and there's journaling space on a lot of the printable pages as well. Here's a pocket with a little bookmark. And I wanted to use as many of the images in these projects as possible because just, I mean, look at that. The detail and the rich colors. So I have used a lot of the images. Another flip out here. Little pocket. You can journal on these, or you can use them to embellish pages. And I'll send along an extra little packet of ephemera that goes with this. So if you want to embellish the pages, you will have another bookmark. You will have extra ephemera, whoops, to do that. And then of course that one. So that is the first one. And then this little guy, this is a hardcover, covered in lace and some dyed seam binding and some fabric. Filigree metal piece there. And this one we have a pocket here. And then again, I tried to include as much blank journaling space for you as possible. A little page from Shakespeare. Piece of a page. We've got pockets in this one with tons of tiny bits of ephemera, some sewing, and I've left all the threads. Didn't show you the little bit of lace there on the beginning of the signature. I just love these. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This little tiny envelope, but look, even when you reduce, the images are just, and this has a bunch of tiny little, you can add to your journal where you'd like, and everything is just perfectly clear, even at this size. Just so beautiful. So we got that in that envelope. paper clip with some rickrack. And this one has 3 signatures. Got some music paper. Pockets in the center of this signature as well. And there's more room. You could tuck some more stuff in. Here's a little bookmark with some seam binding. Music paper. And then again, lots of space. Another a piece of a page from Shakespeare. More pockets. I have so many more ideas. I really liked making, here's another little, making the miniature size journals was a lot of fun. Another little envelope, little quote in there, Monet, and then a bunch more little bits. Little so pretty. All of those goodies in this little envelope. Another little paper clip with some seam binding. And another pocket at the back. So that's number 2. And then this one is a necklace. I don't know how long this chain it is. It is really long, but I'll have those measurements, like I said, in my Etsy shop. A little bird and a little feather charm, some green seam binding, and some lace. I left it long. I didn't know if it was too much, but if you want to trim it, you could. But I kind of like it now. It's grown on me. And this is made from some recycled leather, the cover. And then all little torn pages inside. And then even tinier images. Make sure the camera's focusing. And I just put here and there. So you'd still, again, have room to journal. Just a little pocket. So that is it. Hope you guys like it. I'm really proud of this set. It was a lot of fun to work on. So thank you, Jar, for letting me work with your images. They are inspiring, and they do make me step out of my comfort zone creatively. So I appreciate that so much. So I hope everyone is doing well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.